I used to find math so difficult and confusing, but with Math Tone channel videos, everything became so easy and clear.
Good morning, everybody. How's going? Everything is okay. Uh, Today is our lesson. It's about NAFS revision. We speak about um, absolute value. We have absolute value like 2x plus 9. You know that absolute value, it change absolute value into in a state into two value like this. Absolute value for x equal 3, we can change absolute value to x equal -3 and x equal 3. What does it mean? Absolute value mean distance from the point to the right and the point to the left, like this. If I have x, here is x to 3 and x to -3. And you know the distance must be positive, but the number we can input instead of x, negative or positive. Let's start how to solve it. 2x plus 9 equal 15. And here is 2x plus 9 equal -15. Put it positive and put it negative and so on. Solve the equation, put it other side. 2x here is equal 15 minus 9. Here is 15 minus 9 is 6. 2x equals 6 divided by 2x equal 3. And so on. Here is take another side. -15 minus 9 is -24 divided both side by 2x equal -12 and so on. It is the answer. So instead of this, we can substitute an equation and find the answer. In NAFS, it doesn't matter to solve the problem. The important thing to find the answer in fast way. But here is our solution how to solve it. That is same. -4 plus 5x equals 16 and -4 plus 5x equal -16 and so on. Here is take another side, take 4 on other side, change the sign. 16 plus 4 equal 5x. 16 plus 4 is 20. 5x divided the both side by 5. X equal 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Take another side. 5x equal -16 plus 4. Here is -12 and divided by 5, you can answer x is -12 over 5 and so on. Here is how to solve it. Here is the answer is C. Gonna be C. The next one. The next question, number 3. Solve with absolute value also, because I know this one maybe you didn't take it before. I give it to more of example to understand what I mean. Here is absolute value -2n. Take another side, -50 minus 10. -50 minus 10. Here is we have a little bit tricky. Here is -60. Here is -2n. As we said before, absolute value mean distant. It can't be negative. But here is if I give it to you absolute value equal negative number, this means that what? No solution. No solution if you absolute value equal negative number and so on. The next one, you know the power, we flip it. 4 power -2 is 1 over 4. If we have a negative power, we flip the number. 4 power -2 is 1 over 4 power 2 and so on. 4 multiplied by 4 get it 1 over 16. Here is we have to know that if you have a two powers, we have to multiply them. 8 multiplied by 2 and we get it 2 power 16 and so on. The next one. The next one here is probability. You know the probability is part overall like a fraction. Here is what is a P mean the probability. B is probability, not purple. You know the purple here is one out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is all of them is 5. The purple is 1 over 5. Here is a purple. Purple is 1 over 5, but here they ask you about not purple. The answer is concentrate is 4 over 5, not 1 over 5. The next one, here is we have a marble bag. What is the probability will choose either black or white? We can count also either black. Here is black 1, 2, 3, and white. Count them 4, 5, 6. We add them either mean we add them. Here is 6 out of what if you complete counting 6 out of 10 and so on. 6 out of 10 if you simplified it, divided by 2, divided by 2, get it 3 out of 5 and so on. The next one here is a jar contain 2 pink, 6 red, and here is we can summary our given like this: 2 pink, 6 or red, and 4 blue, like this. Okay, but if you pick one marble without looking, what is the probability that marble you pick will red or mean plus? Here is we have to add the number of red, here is 6, and the number of blue is what? Number of blue is 4. 4 plus 6 over total. You know the total, if you add them, all of them, 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6 plus 4, the total. Here is answer is 10 out of 12. Put it in simplest 4, divided by 2, divided by 2. You get it 5 out of 6, like this. 5 out of 6. The next one, 9. A coin tossing and the number cube rolled. Find the probability head and 7. Here is head and 7. Yes, probability head and 7. How to get it there? How to solve? We have the probability of tossing coin. We have a head, H or T, head of tail. Okay, and the number cube we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but you know that probability heads and the 7. We don't have a 7 already. We don't have a 7 in the cube. This means that no probability means 0. Okay, here is the answer is 0. Okay, we stopped here in our revision, and inshallah in the next episode we complete it. Thank you for watching, and inshallah see you soon in the next episode.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Math Tone channel.
القديم الباري ثم صلاته على القديم الباري وبعدها صلاته على المختار وبعدها كسيرة الرسول منظومة موجزة الفصول.